Hey everybody, I'm here to show you the correct way to play Riptide by Vance Joy. 99% of every tutorial you see sounds like a tin can in a bucket. I think if you found yourself on my video, then you're definitely not tone deaf, because this is the tutorial that they're going to teach you in standard tuning. Standard tuning is G, C, E, A. So this is what it sounds like. And I'm not going to teach you these chords. It sounds absolutely nothing like the song. Unless you over-sing the ukulele and make it sound good, but so nobody can hear the ukulele, whatever it may be. Let's get the proper tuning that you guys need. So what we need here, on my video, to make the quality match, you're going to need drop. You're going to have to drop tuning down to G6. It's called an open G6. So you're going to need your chromatic tuner. And your first top string here, that's a G. You want to tune it down to a D flat. See how I'm down? Okay, now my next one, G flat. Just like Vance Joy, brah. There's your G flat. Now it's a C. The third string. Down tune, down tune, down tune. I'm doing this because this is very important here. If you can't understand this part of this song and why we're down tuning, then you should not be playing this song. It's the same thing kind of as not being able to sing in tune. You're not able to tell if you're in tune or not because you don't have a trained ear. So it's the same thing with what you're hearing here. So if you have a short ukulele like mine, it's not going to want to stay in tune right away. Okay, so open G6 tuning, as they call it. Down tune from standard tuning. D flat, G flat, C, F. So your ukulele needs to sound like that with the chromatic tuner. All right, so let's dive right into our first chord that we need to teach. You got 6 chords to learn to do the song. The first chord we need to learn today is an A minor. We're going to start out middle finger, 2nd fret back. First string, 2nd fret back. Now we're going to, right below that, we're going to grab it with our ring finger. And then 3rd string down, 1st fret, we're going to grab with our index finger. So this is what you got. We're going to strum all 4. So this is our A minor. All right. Let's go to our next chord, which is a G, which is our easiest chord of the song. 3rd fret, you're going to go 3rd fret, 4th string. Chord, which is a C. Top string, 2nd fret back, 2nd string open, 3rd string, 1st fret. So that's what you're going to want. Let's put them chords together, folks. There you go, man. That's 90% of the song. So now when we're going to get to the part where we get the strum pattern in there, that's where it changes up. So we're going to be playing them first 3 chords I just showed you up until we hit that chord. So we're going to cover the strum in a second, but the next chord we want to cover is the chord you're going to hold for that strum. So okay, this chord is called an A minor 7. So what we're going to want to do, 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret. So far. 3rd string, 1st fret. So it's the same exact thing as your A. Okay, so with your pinky, you're going to want to hold 4th fret in your 4th string. Okay, so that's our A minor 7. All right, thank you. All Our next chord is a G suspended 4. So in order to play this chord, you're going to want to do the last chord that you got that we played before here, which was your A7. And you're just going to want to release the top 2 fingers. You release the top 2 fingers. So this is how you want to be holding that chord to make the progression easier. You want to hit the 3rd fret, 1st fret, 3rd string. And then we're going to want to do 3rd fret, 4th string. Okay, and this chord is an F major 7. So what we're going to want to do, 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string. So you can see that in the 2nd fret, you're going to want to hold with your middle finger. And then 3rd string, 1st fret. This is your F major 7. So that all that variation happens at the same time. The picking pattern. So you're going to want to hold that A7, that A minor 7 with your pinky here, the chord shown above. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold that chord. You got to release your middle finger. Flick everybody off, man. And you're going to so open, hammer, shut. And then hit it again. So 0, 2nd fret, 2nd fret. And then then we're going to do 3rd string, 4th string. Okay, so if you get all that down, you should be able to play my strum along, play along, sing along tutorial. I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversation. All my friends are turning green. She's the magician's assistant in their dreams. Come on, start, lady, come on down to the Riptide. Take it away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing this song. I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Here's the story that I think you like. I got a sauce to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the house shelf. Come on, start, lady, come down to the Riptide. Take it away to the dark side. And I wanna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing this song. And I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just gotta know if you're gonna stay. I just wanna know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you ever seen, love. Lady, come on down to the Riptide. Take it away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand. I love you when you're singing this song, yeah. I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, come on down to the singing this song, man, out a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words